Pisces July 2021 horoscope. You can expect transformations in your social circle or routine happenings. The sun will teach Pisces personality to be pragmatic during the last week of the month. A delightful month without any serious problems. The emphasis will be on mundane activities and love relationships. It is time to do what you want. Pisces education horoscope. July 2021 for Pisces Sun sign students are very much encouraging for academic progress. As astral aspects are helpful, learning will be easy with routine efforts and instructions. The month is very much auspicious for students of arts and creative subjects. Those sitting for competitive examinations would also achieve success with just about the normal kind of effort. Pisces career horoscope. Month of July will be a mixed bag. Some planets are favorable while some others are not positive. The results tends to be not very encouraging. Relationships with colleagues and seniors at the workplace will not be cordial, and this will make accomplishing targets an uphill task. Contacts that could have helped you a good deal would somehow not be helpful during this period. So will travel, of which there could be a good deal, though there could be some marginal percentage in a sojourn towards the north. Be patient and persevere in your efforts. Pisces finance horoscope. A bleak month for business people. Even traders, exporters, and arts dealers will find it difficult to make enough money to take care of their expenses. All types of speculative ventures should be avoided as they will prove to end up in losses. This month is not at all favorable for starting new business activities as stellar configurations are not propitious. Pisces travel horoscope. This month there are sizable rewards from travel in the offering for you. Stellar aspects will create plenty of chances for travel, and most of them will turn out to be gainful. They will be both inland as well as foreign trips. These trips will be auspicious for business purposes as well as for expansions of business activities. Pisces health horoscope. Stellar positions are favorable and there will not be any major medical hiccups. Some minor health disorders can be attended to by immediate medical care. It is also necessary that regular health should be maintained through regular fitness and healthy diet plans. Good relaxation methods will take care of the stress problem that may be induced by overexertion. On the whole, this is a wonderful month for health. Pisces love and relationship horoscope. Pisces love relationship indicates that love will be exciting, innovative, and emotional during the month. It will be gentle and affectionate after the second week of the month. There will be both romance and passion till the last week. During the last week, it will be sober. Pisces compatibility will be full of affection till the 22nd. After that, it will be strong and sensual. You like to be mischievous in the way you love. Single persons will have the support of Jupiter in making love relationships. You will find love in your workplace and it will be a pleasant and sudden encounter. Pisces family horoscope. Planetary aspects are not encouraging and the atmosphere will be full of conflict and intrigue. Family finances also will pose some hardship and it may become difficult to balance the budget. Children will suffer the most because of the negative vibes in the family. Their academic development will be badly affected and they tend to misbehave with senior members of the family and outsiders. Parents should watch their actions carefully and guide them on a suitable course of study and other activities. Thanks for watching the video.